if you were to put a probability on it, is it more likely that we merge with AI or AI replaces us?
A lot of people just think computers come along, they compete with them, we can't really compete, and that's the end of it. As opposed to them increasing our abilities. And if you look at most technology, it increases our abilities. Look at the history of work. Look at what people did 100 years ago. Does any of that exist anymore? If you were to predict that all of these jobs would go away and would be done by machines, people would say, well, no one's going to have jobs, and it's going to be massive unemployment. But I show in this book that's coming out, the amount of people that are working, even as a percentage of the population, has gone way up.
We're looking at the x-axis year from 1774 to 2024, and on the y-axis, personal income per capita in constant dollars, and it's growing super linearly.
2021 constant dollars, and it's gone way up. That's not what you would predict, given that we would predict that all these jobs would go away.
Yeah.
But the reason it's gone up is because we've basically enhanced our own capabilities by using these machines, as opposed to them just competing with us. That's a key way in which we're going to be able to become far smarter than we are now, by increasing the number of different parameters we can consider in making a decision.